Lot number 8. R. Sabarisha from second A4.
Hi everyone, my name is R. Sabarisha. I am studying second A4. I am a Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was born on 26th August 1910 in Macedonia. She belongs to the religion of Christianity. Mother Teresa came to India in 1929. Mother Teresa started social service at an age of 18 without any help from anyone. Started education to poor children. Mother Teresa won Nobel Prize in 1979. Mother Teresa, every individual, big not a poor or a elite. Mother Teresa breathed to last breath on 5th September in 1979. She beloved every individual. She had on school and hospital. She loved the children of most loved cheer the student. There are a lot of schools. The school is a education to poor children. DLD called Mother. She honors with Bharat Ratna outstanding service. Thank you.
Thank you. Legends never fade. Thank you, lovable Teresa.